Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So creating professional product videos used to require cameras, video editors, actors, voiceovers and a lot of time. But with AI tools like Deevid AI, you can now generate marketing videos, product ads, talking videos and even complete promotional content from a simple prompt or image. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Deevid AI for yourself, you will find its affiliate link in the description. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign-up bonuses and rewards depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of Deevid.ai. Now, when you are here, before hopping on how you can get started with the platform, let's just briefly understand what it actually is. So Deevid AI is an all-in-one AI content creation platform that is focused primarily on the video generation. So instead of using multiple tools for the image creation, video generation, voiceovers, lip syncing, editing, Deevid combines everything inside a single workspace. You can then use it to create the product advertisements, marketing videos, social media content, AI generated scenes, talking avatar, and much more. So the platform is especially useful for the marketers, e-commerce sellers, content creators, and business owners who want professional looking videos without any traditional product costs. So here, when you sign up for the very first time, you are going to see this type of section where you can basically type your prompt in the text. You can provide the image, video and audio, and then you can use it in order to basically generate the videos for you. So over here in the left hand side, we have some of the options, or I would say tools available, like we have agent, video, image, audio, Canva, editor and much more. Now here on the home page, when you scroll down a bit, you are going to see some of the inspirations. So these are basically the sample videos that you can click on, you can view them, and then you can also use them or create the similar types of videos. Now first of all, as we are on the home page and this is the agent section, I would say agent mode is one of the easiest ways for you to create the content, because the AI is going to help guide the process. So inside this particular prompt box, you just have to simply enter your prompt. So your prompt can be something like this: create a premium product advertisement for wireless headphones, show close-up shots, camera movements, and this is the prompt that I gave to it. Now over here, make sure that the agent option is selected. If you have any of the reference videos, images, audio or asset in your account, you can also select those by using this plus icon. Now if you want AI to basically help you with this, you can also click on the option of ask, and you can ask AI before the generation. But for now, I am good with this particular prompt and I'm going to just simply click on the option of enter. Now this is going to do it. It is going to first of all analyze the request, and then it will begin creating the content for you. So this approach is helpful when you want quick results without adjusting the lots of settings. So for beginners, the agent mode is usually the fastest place to start. And after basically understanding this, let's just start creating something with more control. So over here, before creating videos, there are many creators that first generate the product images. So the best thing about Deevid AI is that you can right away generate the image. So simply click on the option of image, and it is going to use the GPT image 2 model in order to basically generate the images for you. As you can see the model name over here. Now you just have to simply give it the prompt for your image. So let's say this is the prompt that I gave it to. Now you just have to simply hit enter, and now it is going to generate the image. But as you can see, when I hit enter, it asked me to upgrade, and currently as you can see, their light plan is going to cost to $10 per month. They have their pro plan, which is going to cost to $25 per month, and their premium plan, which is their best value plan as well, is going to cost you the $119 per month. So currently a 29% off is going on the website. So if you are interested in purchasing it for your project, you can definitely go ahead, select any of their plans. I would recommend you to go with the pro plan. Then you can simply click on the option of subscribe. You can provide your payment method, and then you can basically get all of your credits. So as you can see, for one image generation you will need 6 credits. So when you hit enter, it is going to basically generate the image for you, which you can then use in order to basically generate the videos out of it. So when you have the image ready, simply go to the videos section, and for one video generation it will cost 20 credits from your account. So make sure that you have enough credits available. Now you need to simply start giving it the video prompt. So let's say I give it this particular prompt over here. Now you just have to click on this plus icon, then select the option of image, and you need to select that particular image which you have just created inside it. Afterwards, simply hit enter, and then it is going to basically generate the video for you. So instead of a sample product photo, you can have an animated advertisement ready for social media or e-commerce campaign. Now sometimes you won't have the image available, so in those situations text to video becomes really useful. So stay inside the video section, and then you can basically switch to the text to video, and then you can again provide your prompt, and then you can select the aspect ratio, you can select the video model, and then you can hit enter, and again it is going to basically generate the footage for you. Now after understanding it, let's just take a look at the effects. So effects are something that are going to basically allow you to apply the visual enhancements, stylistic transformations to the existing content. You can basically upload an image or a video over here, and then you can go to the effects section. Depending on the available options, you may see the cinematic styles, artistic looks, and the visual enhancements. So you can generate the results, and then you can compare it to the original version. Now one of the Deevid's most impressive feature is their lip syncing feature. So this particular tool allows you to create the videos where a person appears to speak naturally based on the provided script. So here you just have to upload the video containing a person, and then you need to enter a script such as this type of script it can be. So then select the option of voice, and then you can just simply preview the voices before generating. And once the process finishes, Deevid synchronizes the voice and mouth movements automatically, and instead of recording multiple versions manually, you can use it to generate them with the help of AI. Now let's just understand this particular audio section. So here you can come inside it, and you can generate the voiceovers and even audio content for your project. So again, you need to provide it the text, the type of basically audio or music that you want to create, and for one audio it will cost you 4 credits. So you just have to basically provide the prompt and then hit send message, and it is going to generate the audio for you. You can preview that audio, and if you are basically happy with the result, you can just simply download that particular video. So after generating the images, videos, audio, you can definitely combine them inside a editing tool, and then you can basically start using it on your videos. So that's how basically you can use Deevid AI in order to create the product videos, in order to generate the marketing content, and taking the and for generating the AI generated scenes, talking videos, voiceovers, and complete advertising campaigns. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.